So there's Accra. Where's Joje? Joje's here. Sorry, Mr. Moth. Taffy's up here. Okay. And Joje's the closest thing to Dekpor on the map. Okay. So you gotta use your muscles.
Oh, the baby! Hey. Give me another one. Hey, baby. Come on, baby. Baby. Aww. Oh, he didn't like that one. He dropped it. Let's see.
Oh.
No.
Too fast. I didn't have a good enough grip. Oh, watch out. And it's for the little ones, you might have more success if you break off a small piece. There. Now give that to the little one.
All right, there's one coming. You gotta get close to it though so it can get it. Anyway.
It's not gonna jump to you. You've got to get it.
Oh, I just got something.
Something bit you?
Here, have that.
As you can see, we have a very nice tree before us, and the tree is called ficus. F-I-C-U-S. Ficus tree, and it's a kind of a parasite tree, and it always parasites on any other tree to survive.
My daughter?
Yes.
Okay.
Because they go by line. You know, they're on the roots.
Mm-hmm. Soldier ants. Wow.
Touch it, it'll try to hold on to you, Mama.
Be careful, it's gonna jump. Hello, beautiful.
It's so gross.
Not gross, it's
Touch
beautiful.
its butt.
Poop, maybe? I don't know. Another centipede. Millipede, whatever. Must be millipede. That's more than
How many
100.
legs does it have?
Millipede, okay.
How many legs does it have?
Nobody counted them really.
Little pharmacy.
Over the counter.
Oh, so that's someone's house. That's their shower room. And that's where the shower drains. I'm guessing. Hello! Okay. Bye-bye. Akbar! Lord, I try. You try. Let's see how hard it is.
It's not hard at all. It's very, very easy.
Let her pump first. There you go.
Okay.
No, I can't.
Imagine if that's how you had to get your water every time you washed your hands.
Watch this out.
Hey?
I don't like having...
tell us what you're doing?
We're making limonade. So we picked the limes out of the tree, and then we washed them, and then Ewan's cutting them, and then I juiced them, and then the juice is at the bottom, and then then we put it in here and yeah.
We're gonna get our good dose of vitamin C today.
Yeah. We gotta add water because it's gonna be like.
From our limeade.
But we don't got much. We only got up to this line.
That's why you got a big bucket full of them.
Yep.
Takes a lot of work.
Mama, do you want to squeeze one?
No thanks. You're doing a great job. Our friends Diana and Akos are visiting, and together the four girls are making lime juice.
You have like no space on the cutting board.
It's okay.
Cutting so fast. I cut
Slowly?
vertically.
Yeah.
Ewan, come do this cuts horizontally. Come do this, Ewan. What?
Lorelai, what's happening?
She's watching a video and she put the headphones on, it turned music on, she's like, ooh! Now she's watching Taylor Swift videos.
Echoes? Is this your first time?
Out, which must have woken me up because I was awake when it fell to hear the bang, but then yeah, the match.
So there's the rice. That's rice.
It's my crutches. It's a crutches. It's a rice.
Yum.
Maybe I'll find a way to relate it back to the Canadian curriculum in grade 6. Because we're not teaching Canadian. But I can relate it to this curriculum, so it doesn't say Canadian curriculum here. Honestly, she's a type of teacher that I feel like she'll.
Wow.
I would yell at the kids at the beginning of every expecting they'll stand up and do what needs to be done.
It's like an egg.
And something to keep in mind that if you can't get a permanent job and you have to do supply work, if you're a good supplier,
Do you just eat it?
Yes, we have a soup.
Peanut butter soup.
Exactly.
Oh, yum. That sounds good.
This is my tormentor. What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing? Your neighbors are talking to you. You got nothing to say? Right. You're all quiet now with the camera in your face. The first 2 nights we were here, he was up all night. Last night, he let us sleep till 4 o'clock. It's 4:30 in the morning. The Corjay rooster is right up here. There's a rooster at the neighbor's house that's not got as nice a voice. They all have a distinctive song, or call, or whatever it's called. Wasn't that nice of him? So we have finished our laundry. It's hanging over there and on our porch. So now I'm going to fill the buckets for showers.
Inside? Yes. Okay.
Sorry. No? You don't have to take it.
Oh, let me help you.
Doris, you're so helpful. Hello. Bye. That is all that's keeping those boys from coming in here. So now so the process continues like that. Dump the bucket on yourself, wash, then rinse. So now I'm finished. Clean, empty bucket. I'll dry off. How many people will use this water for laundry? Is this for washing clothes?
No, just for. You can use for clothes.
Okay.
Bathing, cooking, everything that you like is going to do.
Okay. So they're going to take it back to their house?
Yes.
This is fine. Yes, this is fine. I like to watch her too.
Okay.
Are you doing one? Whoa. Whoa. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You going to carry one too? Wow, everyone helps. Wow. So strong. Whoa, wow, beautiful. So strong. Whoa. Wow. Wow. And more. This is Doris. So is this is dirty, rinsing and clean?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And this is dirty,
Yes.
waiting.
Yes.
You have to do all this today?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Is this only for you?
Yes.
Wow. So just scrub, scrub, scrub. What kind of soap do you use? Like a powder or a liquid?
Okay. That's right.
Oh. Okay. You can buy that here?
Yes.
Wow.
Here comes Lorelei on her morning horseback ride. Things are a little bit different at our place, just outside of Accra, than they were in the rural village of Bekpor. Hello! Hey there! Is that fun?